Imagine this. How large do you think our planets really are when compared to each other in our solar system? Today, we take a cosmic journey to visualize the true sizes of our celestial neighbors. It's not easy to comprehend the sheer scale of these planetary bodies, especially when their distances from Earth can cause some common misconceptions about their sizes. But fear not, we're about to unravel the mysteries of the great cosmic scale. So let's dive in and visualize the true scale of our solar system's planets. Now think about the smallest planet in our solar system. How does it size up against the largest? And so, we begin our journey with Mercury, a tiny celestial body that's just over 3,000 miles in diameter. It's like a drop in the cosmic ocean. Now imagine this. Mercury is so small that it could fit into Jupiter over 18,000 times. That's right, 18,000 Mercuries could dance inside Jupiter without missing a beat. Now let's move on to Venus, our neighboring planet, which is nearly the same size as Earth. If we were to compare Venus with Jupiter, around 1,300 could fit snugly inside the gas giant. It's as if Jupiter is the universe's biggest nesting doll, ready to hold a multitude of planets within. Next we have our home planet, Earth. Beautiful and blue, it's where we've all grown and learned about these celestial bodies. But even Earth, which seems so vast to us, would fit inside Jupiter over 1,000 times. It's humbling, isn't it, to realize that our entire world is but a speck in the grandeur of the cosmos? Let's not forget Mars, our red neighbor, slightly smaller than Earth but still quite significant. You could fit almost 2,000 Mars-sized planets into Jupiter. It's like trying to fit all the grains of sand from a beach into a pickup truck. Finally, we reach the gas giants, Saturn and Uranus. Even these enormous planets pale in comparison to Jupiter. You could fit almost 800 Saturns and over 60 Uranus-sized planets into Jupiter. And then we have Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. Even this distant giant could fit into Jupiter more than 50 times. So as we journey from Mercury to Neptune, we realize the sheer scale of our solar system, the enormity of these celestial bodies that we so often take for granted. Isn't it mind-boggling to see how our planets size up against each other? But how do these planets compare to the Sun, the real giant in our solar system, you may ask? Well, let's take a journey to the heart of our solar system, where we'll find our Sun, a fiery furnace of nuclear fusion, radiating energy in all directions. To truly grasp the immensity of the Sun, let's bring in Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Now Jupiter is no small fry. It's so huge that it could hold all the other planets within its volume. A real heavyweight, right? But when we draw it up next to the Sun, it seems to shrink. It's like standing a basketball next to a giant beach ball. Picture this. About 1,300 Jupiters could snugly fit inside the Sun. That's right, over 1,000 Jupiters. Just imagine 1,000 of those giant gas balls all packed inside the Sun. It's like stuffing 1,000 basketballs into that beach ball. Quite the squeeze, don't you think? Now let's just take a moment to let that sink in. The Sun, the heart of our solar system, is so vast that it could hold over 1,000 Jupiters. It's a scale that's hard for our human minds to comprehend, isn't it? It's like trying to understand how many grains of sand fit in a sandbox. It's just mind-boggling. Yet this comparison gives us a glimpse into the true enormity of our Sun. It's not just a bright spot in the sky, it's a massive, fiery, nuclear-powered behemoth that outshines and outweighs everything else in our solar system. It's truly the king of our cosmic neighborhood. So next time you gaze up at the Sun, with appropriate eye protection of course, remember the sheer size and power of this celestial giant. Remember that it's so enormous, even the mighty Jupiter seems tiny in comparison. And remember that our entire solar system revolves around this colossal star. The Sun, truly a behemoth, dwarfs even the giant Jupiter. So, what have we learned from this cosmic size comparison? We've journeyed through the vastness of our solar system, grappling with the immense sizes of our celestial neighbors. We've seen the diminutive Mercury, no larger than our moon, dwarfed by the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. We've discovered the surprising heft of Earth, outweighing Venus, Mars, and all the dwarf planets combined. This tour of planetary proportions has shown us that size in space is truly mind-boggling. A planet can be so enormous that it can contain all other planets within its volume, a fact that is hard to comprehend if you're just reading numbers off a page. Yet, we've also seen that even within this enormity, there's a staggering difference in sizes. From the small rocky bodies of our inner solar system to the massive gas giants in the outer reaches, each planet is unique in its dimensions. Visualizing these scales is crucial. It's one thing to know that Jupiter is 11 times the diameter of Earth, but it's quite another to see this size difference with your own eyes. It's a humbling experience that puts into perspective our place in the cosmos, reminding us that we are but a small part of a much larger, grander universe. And so, we end our journey with a newfound appreciation for the cosmic scale. Remember, space is vast and our planet's enormous. But even within this enormity, there's a staggering difference in sizes. Now that we've explored the cosmic scale, what's your take on it? We invite you to delve deeper into celestial comparisons, or perhaps share your favorite planet and thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos.